Embrace the adventure. Why budget travel rocks. Traveling doesn't have to break the bank. With a bit of planning and creativity, you can see the world on a budget. I love finding ways to experience amazing places without spending a fortune. It's about making the most of every dollar. It's all about being smart, resourceful, and open to new experiences. You get to dive into local cultures and traditions. Budget travel pushes you to be creative and resourceful. You learn to find joy in the simple things. You learn to prioritize experiences over luxury. It's about the journey, not just the destination. And the best part? You'll have incredible stories to share. Stories of adventure, friendship, and discovery. Whether you're dreaming of exploring ancient ruins, relaxing on pristine beaches, or hiking through lush forests, or immersing yourself in a new culture, budget travel makes it possible and enriching. Budget travel makes it possible. You can stay in unique accommodations and use local transport to save money. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to explore the world without emptying your wallet. The world is waiting for you. Taking flight on a shoestring. Finding affordable airfare. Whether you're planning a quick getaway or a long vacation, finding affordable airfare is key to keeping your travel budget in check. One of the biggest expenses of any trip is often the flight. High ticket prices can be daunting, but with a bit of strategy, you can save a lot. But don't worry, there are plenty of ways to find affordable airfare. With the right tools and tips, you can make your dream trip a reality without breaking the bank. Websites and apps like Skyscanner and Google Flights are your best friends. They offer comprehensive searches and price comparisons. These search engines compare prices from multiple airlines, helping you snag the best deals. Always check multiple sources before booking. Be flexible with your travel dates and consider flying to smaller airports. Flexibility can often lead to significant savings. Sometimes, flying on a Tuesday or Wednesday can be cheaper than flying on the weekend. Midweek flights are often less in demand. And don't forget to sign up for email alerts from airlines and travel websites. You'll be the first to know about flash sales and special promotions. These alerts can help you catch deals that you might otherwise miss. Finding your home away from home. Budget-friendly lodging options. Forget fancy hotels. When you're traveling on a budget, there are so many cool and affordable places to stay. Hostels are a great option, especially for solo travelers or groups of friends. You can book a bed in a dorm room or opt for a private room if you prefer more privacy. Airbnb is another fantastic choice. You can find everything from shared apartments to unique and charming homes. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try couchsurfing? This platform connects travelers with locals who offer free accommodation in their homes. Adventures on a dime. Free and low-cost activities. Whether you're a solo traveler or with a group, there are countless ways to explore without breaking the bank. Believe it or not, many of the best travel experiences are absolutely free. From breathtaking natural landscapes to vibrant cityscapes, there's so much to see and do. Exploring a new city on foot is a fantastic way to soak up the atmosphere and discover hidden gems. Wander through bustling markets, charming neighborhoods, and historic sites. Most cities offer free walking tours, which are a great way to learn about the history and culture of the place you're visiting. These tours often provide fascinating insights and stories you won't find in guidebooks. Take advantage of free attractions like parks, museums, and art galleries. These places often host special events and exhibitions that are both educational and entertaining. Many museums offer free admission on certain days of the week. Plan your visit accordingly to make the most of these opportunities. And don't underestimate the simple pleasures of people watching in a local cafe or enjoying a picnic lunch in a picturesque park. These moments can be some of the most memorable parts of your trip. Savoring local flavors. Eating well on a budget. Trying new foods is one of the best parts of traveling. But eating out for every meal can quickly drain your budget. Look for local markets and grocery stores. You can find fresh produce, local delicacies, and ingredients to make your own meals. Street food is another great way to experience local flavors without breaking the bank. And if you're craving a restaurant meal, consider having your main meal at lunchtime when prices are often lower. Remember to pack a reusable water bottle and snacks to avoid overspending on drinks and convenience foods. Start planning your budget-friendly getaway. So there you have it. I hope this guide has shown you that traveling the world doesn't have to be expensive. With a little planning and flexibility, you can create unforgettable memories without breaking the bank. Remember to embrace the adventure, be resourceful, and enjoy every moment. Where will your budget-friendly adventures take you?